Certainly. Here are a few classic American healthy recipes. 1. Grilled chicken salad. Ingredients: boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Mixed salad greens, e.g., spinach, arugula, lettuce. Cherry tomatoes. Cucumbers. Avocado. Olive oil. Balsamic vinegar. Salt and pepper. Instructions. 1. Season the chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and a little olive oil. Grill until cooked through. 2. Chop the vegetables and arrange them on a plate. 3. Slice the grilled chicken and place it on top of the salad. 4. Drizzle with a mixture of olive oil and balsamic vinegar. 2. Quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Ingredients: bell peppers, any color. Cooked quinoa. Black beans. Corn kernels. Diced tomatoes. Ground cumin. Chili powder. Shredded cheese, optional. Instructions. 1. Cut the tops off the bell peppers and remove seeds and membranes. 2. In a bowl, mix cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, ground cumin, and chili powder. 3. Stuff the bell peppers with the quinoa mixture. 4. Place in a baking dish, cover with foil, and bake until peppers are tender. 5. If desired, sprinkle with shredded cheese and bake until melted. 3. Oven-baked salmon with lemon and dill. Ingredients: salmon fillets. Fresh lemon slices. Fresh dill. Olive oil. Salt and pepper. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Place salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 3. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and lay lemon slices and dill on top. 4. Bake for about 15-20 minutes or until salmon is cooked through. 4. Sweet potato and black bean chili. Ingredients: sweet potatoes, cubed. Black beans, canned, drained and rinsed. Diced tomatoes, canned. Vegetable broth. Chili powder. Ground cumin. Onion. Garlic. Olive oil. Instructions. 1. In a large pot, sauté chopped onion and garlic in olive oil until softened. 2. Add sweet potatoes, black beans, diced tomatoes, chili powder, and ground cumin. Stir well. 3. Pour in vegetable broth and let simmer until sweet potatoes are tender. 5. Greek yogurt parfait. Ingredients: Greek yogurt. Mixed berries, e.g., strawberries, blueberries. Honey. Granola. Nuts or seeds, e.g., almonds, chia seeds. Instructions. 1. In a glass or bowl, layer Greek yogurt, mixed berries, honey, granola, and nuts, seeds. Remember, these recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to adjust them to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Enjoy your healthy American-inspired meals.